Hey DIY enthusiasts, it's Liam from Handy Lab, and today we're turning ordinary tools into some DIY magic. And guess what? We're making a wooden spoon out of it. All right, let's get our hands dirty. First, I grab a block of wood. Next up, we're drilling into the wood, giving it a bit of a transformation. And just like that, we're adding a screw into the mix. Now, here's where it gets interesting. I attach the block of wood to a power drill. Yes, you heard that right. Power drill turned makeshift wood lathe. Who needs fancy equipment? Shaping time. I'm turning this block into an oval shape, and I've got my game face on. It's like sculpting, but with more power tools. Innovation level, Handy Lab. Quick sandpaper action to make it smooth. Buckle up for some crafting craziness. Remember folks, smooth surfaces are the key to a happy wooden spoon. Now, the pièce de resistance? The screws. I'm drilling holes and inserting screws all over this wooden canvas. The unsung hero of our spoon-to-be. A bit like finding the perfect partner, don't you think? And what do you know? It's starting to look like a hedgehog. Who said woodworking can't be adorable? Sawing off the tip of the screws. Because why not? Our spiky wood is about to become a scraping tool. Spoiler alert. It's gonna carve out our wooden spoon. Tools are ready. Imagination is flowing. Let the spoon crafting commence. I outline the spoon's shape on a block of wood, and here comes the fun part, using my makeshift scraper to carve it out. Disclaimer. This is some risky business, folks. Don't attempt this without the supervision of a professional woodworker. Safety first always. Carving done, and now we're getting into the nitty-gritty. I use a saw to cut out and shape the spoon. It's like sculpting part 2, the sequel. But before we dive into the woodworking mayhem, if you enjoy watching these DIY adventures, do me a solid and hit that subscribe button. After some cutting action, it's time to refine and smoothen the spoon. Enter the trusty file, the unsung hero of spoon perfection. And there you have it, folks. Our wooden spoon is ready for action. If you've enjoyed this wild ride of DIY wizardry, don't forget to subscribe for more. What do you think of our wooden masterpiece? Let me know in the comments below, and let's keep the DIY magic alive. Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Liam here from Handy Lab, and today we're diving into the wonderful world of sticky tapes. Seriously, these things are like the superheroes of the DIY world, always saving the day. If you enjoy learning about awesome DIY hacks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. So, you might think sticky tape is just for wrapping presents, but oh no, it's way more versatile than that. We're talking about tape hacks that will blow your mind. Ever struggled with keeping track of your stuff? Paper tapes are your new best friend for labeling and marking. They're like the organized sidekick you never knew you needed. And let's talk about those pesky MDF cuts. Chipping? No more. Paper tape to the rescue, giving you that smooth, chip-free cut every time. Just make sure you've got those sharp blades handy. But wait, there's more. Need a makeshift clamp? Paper tape has got you covered. It's like having an extra set of hands in your toolbox. And for those messy silicone sealing jobs, masking tape is here to save the day, keeping those lines clean and tidy. Oh, and drilling? Say goodbye to guesswork with marked drill bits. Paper tape strikes again, ensuring those holes are drilled to perfection. So there you have it, folks. Sticky tapes, the unsung heroes of the DIY world. If you enjoyed these tips and tricks, make sure to smash that subscribe button for more HandyLab goodness. Until next time, happy DIYing.